Okay, there's a little known bike path. Turn left at mile marker 17. It's kind of scary turning there. Yeah, I said it's kind of scary turning there. You couldn't see crap. This heads out to the jumping bridge. The jumping bridge. Haven't been down here yet this year. Gotta watch the side streets, although people are pretty used to watching. That's okay though, we ain't getting run over today. So you park at the Sugarloaf Lodge. You bring your picnic and stuff. So at this point, we're 9.5 miles into our journey. Going on a picnic. Okay, we got another bridge. No fishing from bridge. Sign says, no fishing from bridge. Okay. It's pretty scenic. Pretty cool looking. Look at their modular dock. I love them things. Okay, we're gonna shut the video off. We're still heading to the jumping bridge, the world famous jumping bridge.